ApexVision guides next-generation thermal solution, delivers ultra-clear imaging, ultra-high thermal sensitivity, and strong scenario adaptability, redefining the ultra-clear thermal era with 3 core technologies. Ultra-Clear Eye. Self-developed Apex Core S1 infrared detector. It's built on the new MEMS material and heroic architecture, enhanced by the Vespera structure and advanced encapsulation techniques. Overall noise is reduced by 42%, achieving an industry benchmark of 15 millikelvin sensitivity, ensuring pure, delicate, and reliable imaging. Powerful Brain. Rendering massive detail for real-time analysis demands a powerful brain. Nexus One, a next-generation processing platform. It has advanced AI ISP architecture, semiconductor manufacturing, and 5-core computing power. 200% increase in AI computing power delivers ultra-clear imaging and smooth, responsive control. All Scenario 1 algorithm. Developed on deep neural networks and a multi-scenario thermal AI database, the algorithm intelligently adapts to every scene, ensuring optimal imaging anytime, anywhere. The 3 innovations bring unmatched clarity, precision, and reliability to industries worldwide. For temperature measurement, it intelligently isolates background noise, delivering cleaner, sharper thermal images. It amplifies subtle temperature differences, highlighting hidden risks for accurate, stable readings. For outdoor hunting, it enhances target details against complex backgrounds, preserving outlines, textures, and even fur with full fidelity, enabling all-weather visibility and long-range precision. ApexVision is more than just ultra-clear thermal imaging. It empowers industries with insight and foresight, driving a smarter future, with vision, decision, and efficiency. ApexVision, step into the ultra-clear era.